Having seen this video today, don't struggle yourself again for editing. Whosoever that is saying that Capcut cannot do all this job for you, it is a very big lie. So today I'm going to take you through on how you can edit your video. The very simple basic tools that you can use to edit your video. It is not difficult, it's so simple, and your video will come out looking very nice and in a very good quality. So guys, today I'm going to take you through on how to do it. Another thing, whosoever that is telling that Capcut doesn't have free version that will help you to edit your video in a such a way that it will come out looking so nice, like this my own you're seeing now. So that person is actually lying to you guys. So today I'm going to open your eyes, tell you the basic tools that you need to use in order to edit your video, and it will come out nice. Believe me when I say this. So guys, let's head over to Capcut now. How to remove unwanted area in your video. Go to Capcut. You go to new project, you bring in your video, alright, you add it up, add. Now go ahead and tap the particular area you want. You have to make sure you tap the video. Once you tap the video, click on split down here. When you tap on split, you choose again the particular area you want to remove. Tap on split again. You tap on the particular area you want to remove. You go to delete. It is gone. Okay. You go ahead again. If you want to remove another area, let's assume it's here. You tap on the video first. You see split option. You tap on it. You come again and still tap on it. Tap on split again to mark the particular area you want to remove. You click on delete. Now you can still reverse it. If you don't want it again, you can go ahead and do undo, undo, and undo. It will undo the deleting and the splitting. All of them will come. As you can see, all of them is back again. It is back as the original. So this is how to cut off the unwanted area in your video. Then the number 2 in our list is how to remove BG, how to remove background. This particular background you are seeing, I can actually remove it from Capcut. Now how to do it, you have to make sure that you highlight the video first. Now by highlighting this is by tapping inside the video. Once you do that, you come here and look for remove BG, especially those who is doing thumbnail. So this is good for you. You come here and click on remove BG. When you click on remove BG, you will see auto remover. You go ahead and click on auto remover. Okay, as you can see, it is gone out. So if you notice something, you will see this chair at the back because it is blue. So when you are filming your video, you know that you want to remove the background. Make sure you stay in a very plain area, something like a white background or light lemon background, or any background that doesn't have anything like chair that is close to that place. Okay, so this is the reason why it is not removed, but you can actually manipulate on it. If in any way you have something like this, maybe there's a chair at your back, okay, but after you did the automatic remover, it did not go off. What you can do, don't panic, you go to chroma key, look at it here. Okay, tap on chroma key. When you go to chroma key, now highlight that particular area. As you can see, it is gone. Okay, that particular area is gone. You can increase the intensity if you want, but if you think it has removed, you can use your hand and choose where you want it to be. As now it is at 0. Okay, you can choose to increase it a little, but as it stands now, it is very okay. Now it is at 7. You tap on good, so everything is cleared off. Okay, this is how to remove your background. Okay, now how to add voiceover into your video. Go ahead to that new project and tap on the video you want to use. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for audio. Look at audio here, tap on audio. Then the next thing you need to do now is to go to record, tap and start saying something. As you can see, so this is how to do recording. As you can see, it is moving. Okay, as you are saying whatever thing is saying, it is moving on the video. So once you are done, you tap on the send again, then you tap on good. You tap on good. It is now inside the video. Okay, so this is how to do voiceover. You can go ahead and increase the volume. If you think it is low, you can go ahead and increase it to 1000. If you are someone who has a lower voice, go ahead and increase it. So this is how to do it actually. Once you are done, click on good. So it is done. This is how to change your background. Maybe environments where you are, do not like it. Now for you to change background, go to Google. Okay, If you want to change a background of your choice, go to Google and select that particular beautiful background of your choice. Just type background, video background. Okay, you can even type studio background. Okay, once you type it, just click and search. All right, then you go to images. When you go to images, okay, look for a beautiful studio. Go ahead and just screenshot it. All right, now you head over to Capcut again. Go to Capcut. Now click on new project. Okay, once you click on new project, go over to photos instead of videos again. Let me and like these videos and subscribe to this channel. All right, for more videos like this. Now tap on the video. Go ahead and look for crop. Tap on 16:9, which is YouTube background. Okay, when you tap on 16:9, it will bring out something like this for you. So go ahead and hold the video to minimize it so that it will fit that particular area you mainly need. As you can see, I have selected that particular area. The next thing I need to do now is to tap on good on top here. So automatically it have resized. Now go ahead again, do not highlight this time around. Go ahead and look for aspect ratio. Tap on aspect ratio, go to 16:9. As you can see, it has expanded. You tap on good. Once it's like this, tap on the video again. You can now come and use your hand and adjust the way you want. But as it stands, it's very okay for me like this. So now the next thing we need to do is to bring in that video we want to add there. Okay, what you need to do now is to do what? Go to overlay. I don't know whether I'm too fast, please forgive me. Go to overlay, add overlay. Now come to video, then select that particular video you want to add up. You can come here and add up this one. You select the video, add up. As you can see, it has a different background also that is covering the new background we want to use. Now go ahead to BG, just like we did before. Remove background, go to auto remover. Okay, as you can see, it's cleared off. Then we can now come and tap on good. Go ahead and adjust the video to your satisfaction. Okay, so when filming this kind of video, I advise you to stay in a very plain environment, okay, so that it doesn't affect your image or your video in there. So this is how to add a new background, add a beautiful background in your video. All right, then let's move over to next one. How to add overlay, which simply means how to add videos to your video or add pictures to your video. It is called overlay. What you need to do is to go to overlay. You don't need to highlight the video first. Go to overlay. When you go to overlay, kindly go to add overlay. All right, it will take you to your phone gallery. You choose either video or picture that you want to add. Just pick up the video, then you click on add. Once you click on add, it comes out like this. Okay, you can resize it to any place of your choice. Most people that normally do reaction videos, this is how they do it. Okay, and go ahead and remove the BG, which is the background. I already taught you people how to do it already here, so you can go ahead and do it. If you don't want, you can leave it like that. All right, so this is how to add it. You can shift it any place of your choice. Okay, anywhere you like, you just shift it. It's adjustable. All right, once you are done, go ahead and export your video. Okay, so that's how to add overlay to a video. Now